beauties, it's Susie here. It's a 1-minute glam makeup challenge. First thing, start the counting. Let's go. First thing first, first moisturizer, prep my face. For that, smooth hydrate base is the must. Do not miss this part. Now onto foundation. I am applying the foundation with my fingers to give my face more finishing look. Hair is blending like a pro. Now for some blush, just a quick pop up on the cheeks to bring some color and life to the face. As you see, I'm blending with fingers, it's giving a fine look. Now my favorite part is time for eyeshadow. A soft shimmer all over the lids adds instant glow without too much effort. Now it's time for lippy. Some bold and classic color, yes please. Finally mascara. A quick coat on the lashes and that's it, done. Now I'm applying a bit on the eyebrows and blending with my hands. 1 minute, 1 glam look. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe my channel for showing your support.